Hello valued Amazon customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your new Ultra Ring Stretcher and Reducer, we decided to make this video just for you. This Ultra Ring Stretcher is numbered from 1 to 16 and is designed with 6 splines as opposed to 4. We recommend you bolt down your ring stretcher to your workbench to prevent it from moving around. I'll be using a 1 to 16 size mandrel to check the size of my ring. To begin, I'll show you first how to stretch a ring. Using a size 7 ring, slide it down the spline, then pull the lever 2 or 3 times away from you. You'll see the spline expanding out, and that's what's expanding the ring. After, you want to flip the ring and repeat the process so it's even on both sides. Make sure to check your ring size on your mandrel so you don't go over your desired size. Now, how to reduce a ring size. Remove the plate from the base and place your ring into one of the holes. To know it's a good fit, you'll see the ring fit halfway into the hole. Then, return the plate back onto the base and align the ring under the plunger. Pull the lever hard towards you. You'll see the plunger stamping down onto the ring. After, you want to flip the ring and repeat the process so it's even on both sides. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.